I'm going to play this little bit of recording twice, and then I'll give you the background, and I'll tell you why I prefer this type of recording to made-up dialogues that are produced especially for learners.
Montez en surface, et là vous aurez la fleur entière.
Faut faire attention à ne pas la manger quand on boit le champagne, alors.
Mais non, vous n'avez rien compris. Surtout, il vous faut la manger. Il faut la manger, la fleur se mange, ça c'est le top du top. Montez en surface, et là vous aurez la fleur entière.
Faut faire attention à ne pas la manger quand on boit le champagne, alors.
Mais non, vous n'avez rien compris. Surtout, il vous faut la manger. Il faut la manger, la fleur se mange, ça c'est le top du top.
Okay, so I know that if you're a beginner listener, this is incredibly fast for you and maybe even a little frustrating. I'll give you the background and then I'll tell you why you should spend time listening to things like this, even though it may be frustrating at first. So the background here is that she has just said that you can take these violet flowers. She's from Toulouse, and violet is the symbol of Toulouse. You can take these violet flowers and you can crystallize them in a coating of sugar, and she's given the recipe. And then when you serve your champagne glass, you take these crystallized flowers, you drop them into the champagne. The champagne will then dissolve the sugar, and so the flour dropped to the bottom of the glass at first, the sugar dissolves, and as the sugar dissolves, the flour will float back up to the top, and it's really pretty. And the journalist says, well, you need to be careful not to eat the flour then, right? And of course she says, well, no, that's the best part of it. You understood nothing. So this illustrates one of the reasons that I like real spoken, unrehearsed conversations is that I get a feel for the speaker's personality. And that's important to me because I'm going to be listening to this 10, 15, 20, maybe 100 times over the course of a month. Okay, I'll play this 3 more times, and then you see, while I play it, you see if you can follow along and try to hear every word.
En surface, et là vous aurez la fleur entière.
Faut faire attention à ne pas la manger quand on boit le champagne, alors.
Mais non, vous n'avez rien compris. Surtout, il vous faut la manger. Il faut la manger, la fleur se mange, ça c'est le top du top. Montez en surface, et là vous aurez la fleur entière.
Faut faire attention à ne pas la manger quand on boit le champagne, alors.
Mais non, vous n'avez rien compris. Surtout, il vous faut la manger. Il faut la manger, la fleur se mange, ça c'est le top du top. Montez en surface, et là vous aurez la fleur entière.
Faut faire attention à ne pas la manger quand on boit le champagne, alors.
Mais non, vous n'avez rien compris. Surtout, il vous faut la manger. Il faut la manger, la fleur se mange, ça c'est le top du top.
If I were a beginner, this would probably take me 20 listens before I could understand all the words. If you'd like to listen again, just back up the video and continue listening until you can hear every word. I bet it will take 10, 15, 20 times, but eventually that miracle will happen. Your ear will open up and you'll start to hear more and more of these sound patterns. Have a good day.